A very good afternoon to all of you. Students, today we are going to begin up with Supply Chapter Part 3, Class 11, Microeconomics. Students, today we are going to discuss over factors that are going to affect our supply of a commodity, be it individual or market. Supply. Student, supply is affected by price of own commodity, price of related goods, technology, government policy, price of inputs, goal of the firm. We are going to discuss each one of them in detail now. Let's have a look. Price of the good. Students, if there is an increase in the rise in the price of own commodity, it will ultimately increase the profits for the producer. So he will start producing more. So there will be an increase in production, which will increase your supply, indicating that supply and price of the good have a direct relationship or a positive relationship. If there is a fall in the price of the commodity, it will lead to decrease in profits. Ultimately, a producer will fall in production and there will be a fall in the supply of that commodity in the market. The very next factor is price of related goods. Now, for example, substitute goods, there's a rise in the price of one goods, which leads to a fall in the supply of the other good. Example, if the price of tea rises, supply of coffee will fall. Producers now will start producing, or producers now will shift their resources from the production of coffee to the production of tea because the price of tea has risen up. Complementary goods. Rise in the price of one good will lead to rise in the supply of the other good. For example, increase in the price of car will lead to increase in the supply of petrol also. So, in any case, price of related goods will be affecting the supply of the commodity. Technology. For example, there is a development or upgradation of technology, students. Now, what will happen? If there is an upgradation of technology, it will help you to produce more. So, there will be a fall in cost of production, which will ultimately increase your profit. So, increase in production ultimately will lead you to increase in the supply. Also, you will start supplying more in the market. So, upgradation of technology will help you to supply more in the market. Increase in the supply will be there. In the similar way, students, if you're going to have degradation of technology, your supply will be lesser or will be shifting towards left. You will supply less in the market now. Goal of the firm, the very next factor which affects your supply. Sometimes the firm may have some goals other than profit. It may aim at becoming market leader. It may aim at promoting public welfare. In such cases, the firm may increase supply even if there is no change in the price of commodity. Reason being, you want to become market leader, you want to acquire major market share in the market. Price of input. For example, input, that is a factor of production. If there is an increase in the price of raw material, so it will lead to increase in the cost of production. Ultimately, your profit will fall. So if the profit will fall, you will reduce your production and your supply will ultimately be reduced as well. So increase in price of input or factor of production will lead to lesser supply as compared to earlier. Thank you, students. It was for today. We are going to cover up the next topic in the previous class. Thank you. Have a good day.